Hi, I'm Jonathan Mothersole. I'm the founder of Turfsurge here in Dayton, Ohio. Just wanted to thank you for taking some time to stop on our website and learn more about us. I know that no one shops for lawn care every day, and it may be kind of a hard decision, but you do have a lot of options out there, and I just wanted to kind of tell you why we're going to be a little bit different than anyone else that you may consider. So right off the bat, it starts with our guarantee. Our guarantee says this: if you are not happy with any service that we provide for any reason at all, we will come back and fix it. Now, if we keep trying and we just can't fix it to the way that you want it, we will refund your money. Okay, 100%. That it goes back in your pocket. Number two, we will pay a competitor of your choosing to come out and fix the work for you. And that's how confident we are in the services that we provide, and that our expectations are going to be your expectations. Something else that I hear this day in and day out. Okay, the number one complaint that I hear from people on the phone about hiring someone in lawn care is, I hired someone to come out and mow my lawn, and they never showed up. Now, this could be for one of two reasons. One, they had no intention of ever showing up to your property, or two, they just flat out forgot. They wrote it on a piece of paper and they lost it. So we've solved this problem we actually use specialized software, scheduling software for the lawn care industry. And basically what happens, you call into our office, we'll talk with you, we'll sign you up, and we actually schedule you right there, and it goes into our software system. And from there, all of our technicians can see your job and property on their mobile device. It goes out, sends out to them on the proper day, and then they're actually required to mark down that they've been to your lawn and they've actually start and stopped and everything like that. So that way that we're actually going to be there, we're going to show up, and you're not going to have to hassle around, trying to get us on the phone. Where are you? Why aren't you here? And everything like that. So I encourage you to look around our website a little bit more, check out some more videos on specific services, more about our people, and just get to know us a little bit better. You can always give us a call. Our phone number is 937-949-4233, or you can fill out one of the forms on our website, and one of us will reach out to you. Have a great day.